I think it's certainly the impact on patients' lives, and also I think it's how relatable this topic is, because all of us at any stage of our lives or our family members are using medications, pharmaceuticals, therefore it's part of our life. And I think that and also another thing is how quick decisions are made, I think, in the healthcare industry, in the life sciences industry, and how quick the transformation is happening compared to other industries. I think these two are the most.
There's a lot of challenges at work, but we really need to focus on valuing our employee and showing that to them. And we have, for example, for development, we have a training program in place that goes towards APIC certifications. So our employees can achieve industry recognized certifications that are relevant for their work as part of their development. And we also have a lot of projects that we assign employees to, so that is a great way of developing. And we also have now done quite a lot of promotions from within. When I started at Santen a couple of years ago, we had to recruit a lot from externally, but now we are in a position that we can do promotions from within, and that is what we prefer whenever it's possible, it makes sense.
I'm a big believer that interim management is the best way to ensure that our employees get exposures to different aspects of pharmaceutical industry. So I think to any organization within cross-section of all the functions that you can see the most values. So at Lotus, we have IDP, individual development programs, that provide visibilities and also opportunities for our employees to rotate from different functions to others, right? For example, we have a constant exchange between quality organization and operations. We also try to rotate our talent from different sites. So we're a global company. We have sites in Korea, we have sites in Taiwan, we also have functions based in Europe. So we try to give people interim management opportunities so that they are part of functional teams, also get short-term assignment at different sites.
Before encouraging the collaboration within organization or within different departments, I think we always need to look at the bigger picture. If I use my airline experience from past, I was trying to always put together at one table pharmaceutical companies, biotech companies, service providers like freight forwarders, other airlines even, road transportation companies, packaging solutions, to make sure that we are all learning from each other, but all are educating each other. And I think that's what's making it very interesting industry as well. And after you have mastered that, I think you can develop further and really develop the proper training programs within the organization, but also really share it with other parties within the supply chain ecosystem.
Number one is you have to have an infrastructure. So internally, we set up all the access point, share point, so there our supply chain professionals can share knowledge together. The second one is my favorite. I actually encourage all my supply chain leaders to be a teacher. So one thing I like to say the most is that you cannot be a leader unless you develop a leader. So we ask our people to take on a young and upcoming leaders under their wings, provide tips, and provide coachings. So this way we develop a number of leaders that we can put in different places.
I think it starts with making sure that the leaders know their team. That is it's not a given. We really need to spend the time with the team. So I'm doing, for example, town halls in each of the regions. I really make sure that I know the people working in our team, and the same is true for all our managers. So we can identify people who have ambitions. We have, as part of the yearly performance cycle, we have individual development plans. So this is an HR tool, but we take it very seriously, making sure that our employees can voice what they would like to develop towards, And wherever it makes sense from a company perspective, we actively support that. That can be assignments, short-term assignments to other teams. That can be specific projects that are designed to grow and challenge people. And then at the end, again, promotions from within. I think that's a fantastic way. It also shows to the entire team that they can indeed progress within the company.